Welcome to UWA's Virtual Open Day. In this presentation, I will talk about the program in Molecular Life Sciences. Specifically, I will talk about the double major and a combined Bachelor of Science and Masters of Biotechnology. Before I start my presentation, I would do an acknowledgement of country. The University of Western Australia acknowledges that its campus is situated on Noongar land and that Noongar people remain the spiritual and cultural custodians of their land and continue to practice their values, languages, beliefs, and knowledge. Thank you. Now, the Molecular Life Sciences program takes into account that the disciplines of biochemistry, molecular biology, and genetics are strongly connected to each other. While biochemistry looks at chemical substances and vital processes occurring in living organisms and thereby connecting proteins with functionality, and molecular biology is the molecular basis of biological activity which connects genes and proteins. Genetics is the science of genes and inheritance and the variation in living organism which connects functionality with genes. So if you look at all these three disciplines, they strongly belong together. And many of our students are interested in all three disciplines, but don't know really how to study this. So we have introduced an exciting new program for 2021 in which you can combine all three fields in the Molecular Life Sciences program. Now, in the double major and also in the combined Bachelor of Science and Masters of Biotechnology, you will get a profound understanding of the theoretical basis and recent advances in all three disciplines, covering animals, plants, and microorganisms. You will get technical competency and practical skills in state-of-the-art molecular techniques via hand-on laboratories. You will foster your critical thinking. You will learn experimental design and data analysis and interpretation. You will overall get a very solid foundation in molecular life sciences with professional and also transferable skills which will open up a wide world of job perspectives for you in the future. Now let's have a look first at the double major and the unit sequence you would take. Over the 3 years, you would get all the units you have normally in the single major in genetics and the major in biochemistry and molecular biology. So you get really a strong foundation in these three disciplines. Additionally, you will get computational skills while working in Python. So you will apply and learn about algorithms. You will learn about agriculture and environmental science in the soil science unit, and you will learn about plant physiology and agriculture in Plants in Action. You will then also learn about aquatic systems and the marine environment by taking a unit in fisheries science. So overall, you get a lot more out of this double major than if you would do the two single majors, genetics and biochemistry and molecular biology. Now, you can continue after your double major with the Masters in Biotechnology, and that is a real UWA signature program that sets up apart from all the other universities. It's special to UWA. You get a thorough grounding in state-of-the-art biotechnology, combining it with training in enterprise and commercialization. And we employ world-leading research staff and business experts and mentors in biotechnology companies to achieve that. Overall, you get fundamental academic and business skills, which you're needing in the future to make a significant contribution to the biotechnology sector. In your Masters in Biotechnology, you can choose from different specializations, for example, in aquatech or biochemistry and molecular biology, environmental and agricultural biotechnology, genetics and genomics, and also in something really exciting and new, synthetic biology. Overall, your studies will be then in the Masters an excellent stepping stone into a career in synthetic biology, bioscience, medicine, health fields, industry, and postgraduate studies. Now, let's have a look at the combined Bachelor of Science and Masters of Biotechnology. This is available for students with an ATA of 90 or above, and it's an accelerated program which combines the major with a Master's in 4 years instead of in 4.5 years. So what you do is you complete a double major in molecular life sciences, and then you take also some units of the Master of Biotechnology over the first 3 years. And then you have two different options. First, you can exit after the 3 years with an advanced bachelor's degree in molecular life sciences. So you get more out of it than you would get in the double major. Or you can choose option B and continue with the Master of Biotechnology for 1 more year, and then you will be awarded a Bachelor of Science and a Master's of Biotechnology. This is a very demanding program, and that's the reason it is restricted strictly to students with an ATA of 90 or above. Now, I hope I can see you at UWA in 2021 and talk to you in more detail then. For now, thank you very much for listening.